Okay, and then you're going to hold the key in. That's going to turn white, and then you're going to hit that, okay? So you put that in.
We're going to call this one Ron.
There you go. You're going to press it all the way in. That's going to turn, and then you're going to hit the launch button. There you go. Launch button.
I see nothing now.
Oh, there it is.
It's coming down. Never mind.
Sort of.
That is way up there. Here it comes.
Holy crap, it's there.
Straight up. I see it.
Where is it? I think the paper glass.
That is way up there.
Did you just, is that yours?
Yeah, that is way up there.
No problem.
Oh my God, that went way up there.
Right there.
Hey, the airport just called. And,
Next 4 we blow.
uh-oh, that one's on the church for sure.
It's
Oh, maybe not.
That's a
It might
good
clear
rocket.
the church on the other side.
gonna be the lake.
All right, I need another we blow. Patrick, you're on 3.
Here's
We
Zach.
missed the
He's
church.
got
We need an engine. We need to get an engine
One.
first. We stay
All
back.
right.
Yeah, let's have